Now before we continue, I would like to make this type of wall on this side here. Let's go back to our exercise project, and then this was going to be placed on this side here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to split, and then what I will do, I will split this wall somewhere around here, and this wall is going to be stretched a little bit back to avoid any conflict, and I make sure this one is aligned pretty well, and I bring it back on the outer edge actually. And yeah, this is what I'm actually looking for. And then I've take this, and then we take this wall and this part here. I will go and change its type to something like generic type of wall, and on the top here, top offset, I'll actually put 100 centimeters of top offset. When I go to 3D, now I see there is this change here, and this is exactly what we want. For that reason, going back to the 3D, I'm now going to place the last type of window. I'm going to architecture and then go to window, and I'm going to choose this one here, and I'm going to place this one, this particular one, in this position here, and this is what we have now in 3D. This is what we exactly have. Now in the next step, we are going to place the foundation walls. What are we going to do? We are going to go to structure, and then we are going to choose wall structural foundation. And when we choose one here and we go over any wall here, if I click, you may see that we have the foundation wall placed on this particular wall. This is the same here. Or you can go to the foundation plan, and then you start to place some walls, foundation walls here. You go to this foundation wall, you right click, and then you say create a similar, and then you go over all the walls in the project, and then you place the foundation wall. That is simple as that. Now for this one here on the door, you can see that we have this conflict here. I've already pressed a foundation wall on this particular wall, and there is a conflict in here. You can select it, and then you drag this node here all the way to this position, to a desired position, and then it connects. Now, as part of your exercise, I'm going to leave you with the interior walls, where you are going to place the foundation walls. You are going to either use the 3D or the 2D. It's your choice. Then I'll be back with the correction of the exercise.